What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be fixing this broken Wii U Gamepad screen. Let's get right into the video. Alright, as you can see here, the screen is pretty damaged, and that's just the digitizer broken. Everything else seems to be working fine. The D-pad works, touchscreen, volume. So let's turn it to the back, and we need to take off these screws right here. So we're gonna just take out the battery. Alright, that was easy. Now we need to take off these flat things, I don't know what to call them, but they're little tabs. We need to take those off. Alright, now under the tabs we have tri-wing screws that we need to unscrew, and I'm going to be using a tri-wing screwdriver. Alright, now we're going to take the back plate off. So it's connected to here. Let's see if I can hold it. It's connected right here. So we just need to pop that off. So now what we can do is just, we can take off the shoulder buttons and these second ones here too. Alright, so there's two screws here that we need to unscrew. One right here and one right here. Alright, now what we need to do is, if we take a look at this right here, this ribbon cable, we need to take that out. Next, we need to detach this wire right here. Alright, now that we have all the ribbons attached, we need to detach this ribbon right here. We gotta be very delicate with it though. Alright, now we can take off the motherboard. So with the white cable here, you just need to undo it from its little latches right here. So there's a few screws that we need to unscrew, which I'm going to do real quick. Alright, so we're going to take off this black piece off of here. We're going to peel it off and put it on the new screen right here. We're going to put it on the other side of the screen right here. Alright, we got the tape onto the new screen and we're going to put it. Alright, so we're going to put this back in. And now we're going to put this, our new screen in. So we're going to put this piece on now. So we're going to have to put our tiny screws back in. Alright, now we're going to put this piece in. We're going to put this piece in. Now we just have to put the motherboard back in. Alright, now that we have everything put together, let's see if it works. Alright, there we go. Okay, right now I don't have it hooked up to the Wii U. There's problems with it syncing. It won't sync to the Wii U. I don't know how I can fix that, but for now we'll just leave it the way it is. This works. Touchscreen works. I can tap wherever I want. Volume works. The volume slider. Where is it? Right here. So you get nothing. So as you can see, there has been a major difference now. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and like our videos. Thanks. Have a good day.